Hello to all my friends out there. So as you guys know, I've been buying food for the month. And so I went shopping today and I bought this flour. And I got this flour, let's see, for $2.49, but this is 5 pounds. And I noticed some of the flour is 4 pounds and it's not all wheat flour. I checked the ingredients. And so from now on, when I buy flour, I'm going to make sure that it is all wheat flour because I don't want my food tainted any more than necessary with soy. So I bought 2 of these for the month. And then I wanted to make mention that I store my baking soda and my baking powder in a package. I wrap it up so it doesn't get stale, and I buy a big salt. And then I bought this oatmeal at a Dollar Tree, $1 each. So I thought those were a good deal. And then I bought these chocolate chips at grocery outlet for $2.99. The dollar chocolate chips are $1, but that's only 6 ounces, and this is 12 ounces. And so I'm thinking, you know, sometimes the better value might cost a few cents more. So when you're buying food in bulk, and then you save money anyway. And then I put everything in a bag and I tie it up, and I keep the chocolate chips in the freezer. And then grocery outlet, this is 32 ounces, believe this or not, for $7.99. So I'm going to be making a lot of bread, cookies, all kinds of things, because if you bake it yourself, it's cheaper. And so my concern is that I am going to have enough food. And then I bought these eggs, and I found these eggs at the 99-cent only to be good. Look, I'll give you a little shot of them. They're not too tiny, they're not too enormous, just, you know, a nice size egg. And don't expire till the 23rd of February. And I checked expiration dates on everything. And so these are my chocolate chip oatmeal cookies, and I told you guys I was going to make them, that these are good. Certain recipes have taken me years to find. Here is a recipe, the oatmeal cookie recipe. And instead of raisins, I added a half a cup of chocolate chips and about a half a cup of nuts. So you can see flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, shortening. Oh, and that's the other thing that makes this so cheap, is you're using shortening. Brown sugar, I'll probably buy 2 pounds of brown sugar, egg, vanilla, and rolled oats. Everything, you know, and here is my laminated picture. I use these for bookmarks. And let me go get something. I'll be right back. I can't believe I forgot this. So I bought this shortening at Walmart, and I think that's a really good deal on shortening. So if like you buy food by the month and you stock up, you're less likely to run out of food. And so in the next few weeks, I'm going to be making videos on how to save money, how to get the most value for your money. And thank you all for following me and viewing. And thank you for the comments. And God bless you all.